How to do your first 30 push-ups. 7 days transformation. You want 30 push-ups? Then listen carefully. If you can't do 30 push-ups, it's not because you're weak. It's because you never trained with intention. Every strong man you admire started exactly where you are right now. 0 strength, 0 confidence, 0 excuses. This is where it changes. Not tomorrow, not someday, now. Because strength doesn't come from motivation, it comes from discipline. And discipline starts on the floor. You don't need a gym. You don't need fancy equipment. You need your body and your decision. 1 rep done right beats 100 reps done with excuses. If you breathe, you can improve. If you show up, you can transform. In the next 7 days, you will build the strength to hit 30 push-ups. Day 1 to 2, master the base. First rule, form over ego. Hands under shoulders, body straight, core tight. No bent back, no half reps. Start with incline push-ups. Use a wall, a bed, or a table. Do 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps. This is not weakness. This is how strong men build foundations. Day 3 and day 4, control your body. Now we lower the angle. Knee push-ups, slow reps. Lower your chest for 4 seconds. Push up with control. Do 5 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Your arms will shake. Good. That shake means your body is learning. Day 5, negatives built men. This is where growth accelerates. Get into full push-up position. Lower yourself slowly for 5 seconds. Drop to knees if needed to push up. Do 6 sets of 5 reps. Control beats speed. Always. Strong men own every inch of movement. Day 6, volume day. Now we increase capacity. Do full push-ups, as many clean reps as you can. Rest 60 seconds, then repeat. Do this for 10 minutes. Don't chase numbers, chase quality. This is how endurance is built. Day 7, the test. Hands on the floor, body straight, eyes focused. Breathe. Start. 1, 2, 3. Don't rush. Don't panic. By now, your body knows what to do. When you hit 30, you'll feel something different. Not just strength, confidence. Final truth. Strong bodies are built by men who don't quit when it burns. 30 push-ups isn't about arms or chest. It's about proving to yourself that you can finish what you start. Once you control your body, your mind follows. If you want real strength, real discipline, and real growth, subscribe to Intent Growth. No comfort, only progress.